Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this error in League of Legends. So 0xc00005 error code. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now first things first, you want to go to your settings and go to Windows Update. So Windows Update is right there at the bottom, and if you are up to date, you can also always check for updates if you want to. But if you are up to date, then it should work properly. Now you need to also check your drivers. So for me, I use NVIDIA, and NVIDIA has its drivers right there. So once you click on drivers, you can just go ahead and download this driver here and update it if you need to. Now, if everything is correct and the problem still persists, then you need to open up a CMD command prompt and run it as administrator and open it up. Once you will open it up, you will need to write down sfc space then /scan now and click enter. The scan will begin and verification phase will take a few minutes. As you can see, it's really slow, but after that if there's any corrupted files, it will show it here and you will need to restart your computer and it will fix it. So that's pretty much how it works. Now, if the problem still persists, you want to go ahead and find your League of Legends file. You can go on search or right there, for example, on your desktop, and click open file location. Now, once you are here on file location, you want to go to Riot Games and choose League of Legends. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down until you will see League Client, and on League Client you want to right click on it, go to Properties, and then go to Compatibility and run this program as admin, apply and OK. After that, you want to also do this for the folder. Here it is on game. You want to open it up and here you will see League of Legends. You want to go ahead and do the same for this one too. Compatibility, run this program as administrator, just like so. Now, if the problem still persists, you want to go ahead to your Riot client, open it up, go to account, settings, and here you will see repair button. If it is white, you want to click on it and repair it. And that should fix the problem. If the problem still persists, you want to go ahead and just reinstall the game. So just go to installed apps. And right here, you want to find League of Legends. Uninstall it and reinstall it again. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.